Hey, it's Jay from Jay's Taking Tips, back with another video. Hey guys, we got them. Finally got them in. We have the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Galaxy Watch 8. This was going to be mine. This is going to be my girlfriend's. We've already ordered some screen protectors and some different bands for these to, make them look a little bit better. So, before we start this video, I want to let you know um, these were the watches that we previously had. I had the classic. I think this was a 4 Galaxy Watch 4. I think this was classic 2 or something like that. I don't know what this one was, but nevertheless, we had some old watches, and we really need were in due for upgrade. I just got the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so that's gonna really pair nicely with this. I just recently, if you go to the channel, check out one of my shorts. I just bought a 3-in-1 charger, charge the Buzz, the watch, and the Buzz, the watch, and the phone all at once. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. So let's start it off with the Watch 8. Now, I will say one thing. Before I had to order these, I had to look up which actually the guy at the AT&T store with AT&T service, the guy at the store, he kind of, you know, was trying to sell us something. So we had in mind we were going to get watches anyway, but he was really trying to push the sale. But one thing that we didn't ask that I didn't know, so we didn't ask, was on the Galaxy Watch 8, it comes in 40 and 44 millimeters. Now that's I know that doesn't seem like that's a lot bigger in size, but what happened was, so I wasn't sure, I wasn't able to order my the watch bands. All the watch bands fit on the 40. The class. This one is 46. This one comes in 40 and 44. We weren't sure which one we got. He was just so anxious to get the sale. He didn't tell us that there was the difference in the 44 and the 40. Did some research. There really isn't any difference in the 40 and the 44 on the Galaxy Watch 8. Just a little bit bigger screen size. But nevertheless, this is the 40. So I went ahead and ordered my screen protectors and the bands and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Just two slits right there and right there. And there it goes. So this is in silver. This is silver. This is the white version. See the white on the back. So this is the white one. And we're gonna change this band out. Let's find out where the band is. No, that's right underneath. There's a little instruction manual showing you how to connect the bands. Put that right there for now. Well, this is your band that comes with it. Okay. Let's see how. It's supposed to be fairly simple to click this in from what I'm seeing. I like to kind of do these blind and not really look up a lot of videos beforehand so that I can enjoy putting them on myself. There we go. So it wasn't that hard. Pretty good. Just snaps right in. And there we go. All right. So there we have the 40 millimeter Galaxy Watch 8. We'll try to see if it has any juice. And there we go. Samsung. All right. So let's set that one down right there. It's the big boy. Well, not the big boy. There is the Ultra, but this is the classic. I love the rotating bezel. That's why I went with the classic. And there it is. All right. See this one loading up over here. So for size comparison, you can see like that. This is the 46 millimeter. And I believe this comes with the standard your black bands. I've already ordered. And I like the way it looks. I saw with the orange band, so I think I ordered an orange band. My girlfriend, she's getting quite a few more the bands that have like 5 or 6 different colors on them, and we're also going to be getting screen protectors on here. If you have any recommendations of good screen protectors for the Galaxy watches, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. This one should be just as simple. Sorry, got to go off camera to do this one. It's not as easy as I thought. Well, we're gonna have to come back to that because I don't have time. But this is what so I hit the button. This one's already charging. For size comparison, we have them together. That's what they are. They look like. So we're gonna go ahead and get these watches set up. And we did get now, fun fact here, we did get AT&T or probably any store. They try to push the LTE versions so that you can go ahead and open up another line. So that's another charge for the month. But fun fact is, you can cancel these lines. I'm not sure of the exact time that they give you. I believe within 14 days or not quite sure. So don't quote me on that, but you can look it up. And I'm going to find out exactly how much time you have to cancel the LTE lines. We will never probably use these LTE lines because our phones are connected to us. So we always have our phones with us. The LTE feature really wouldn't benefit us at all. I know people say just in an emergency, what if you, but paying that extra, I don't know what it is, how much ever it is a month for an LTE service that we never use. We're just going to use these as Bluetooth. Um, everything that we need to do, we're going to be able to do it through Bluetooth. So like I said, these are the LTE versions. If there's something that you guys, if you're interested in the LTE versions, let me know down in the comment which one do you guys have. If you have the LTE or the Bluetooth version, are there any positives in getting any other positives in getting the LTE version? So hey guys, this is a quick video. This is Jay's Tech and Tips and Gaming. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know down below, a thumbs up, or even better, a subscription with bell notifications on. Go ahead and turn on those bell notifications so that you know when I upload a new video. Now, I'll probably wait about a month and then do a review again of the watches, let you know how we're liking them. Or is it really a big upgrade coming from the 3 and the 4, which was a very long time ago? But hey, we use watches every day, so a watch is a necessity in our household. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it, and we will see you guys in the next one.